Ang umuunlad na ekonomiya ng ating bansa ang naging hudyat para sa Turkish companies and businessmen para magsimula na mag-invest sa ating bansa. Kaya naman, naging aktibo ang Turkish Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines or TCCP para lalo pang mapatatag ang business and trade relationship ng Turkey at ng Pilipinas. Sa pangunguna ng TCCP President, Mr. Irfan Karabulut, patitibayin nito ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng Turkey and Filipino businessmen sa pamamagitan ng business matching at business trips sa Turkey ng mga Pilipinong businessmen, gayon din ang pagbisita ng mga Turkish businessmen sa ating bansa. Naniniwala ang mga Filipino businessmen na dapat magkaroon ang ating bansa ng maayos na trade relations sa Turkey dahil ito ay isa sa may pinakamalaking ekonomiya sa Europa. Nasa mahigit 6,000 ang ating OFW sa Turkey. Karamihan ay mga white-collar job. Ang Confederation of Businessmen and Industrialists of Turkey o ang tinatawag nating TUSCON ay isang non-government and non-profit umbrella organization na kinabibilangan ng 7 business federations at 162 business associations. Ang TUSCON ang pinakamalawak na business NGO or non-government organization sa Turkey, representing 34,500 business people at mahigit na 100,000
because we're having the president of TCCP or the Turkish Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines president, our good friend, our brother, President Irfan Karabulut. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, dear Marisa.
Yes, wow. You see, a Turkish friend, brother of ours, who knows how to say magandang gabi, diba?
Really good sound. So
yes.
It's like poetry.
Very good. Now, Brother Irfan, everybody were really anxious to know because now you are here in the Philippines having the Turkey Chamber of Commerce in the Philippines. May I ask, what is the relationship of TCCP to the Philippines right now?
I just saying, I want to reply that, first of all, thank you for your opportunities to understand between 2 countries, Philippines and Turkey, my country. Secondly, actually, I want to say you should take gold medal from UNESCO because you are mostly kindly people in the world, I think, because I was more than 60 countries. Your country is really beautiful. Wow. If we look at your questions, between 2 countries relationship, not too much, but just really stronger improving. If you look at our foreign trades, our foreign trade $300 million, but already we have many agreements with energy sector, with construction sector, food sector, some invest sector, BCDA, so just almost $1 billion our agreement right now. Many import also from Philippines to Turkey, especially Pacific food, Pacific product, many like mango, pineapple, coconut, rubber, something like that. Also, some, do you know, maybe we are just importing technology from Philippines. Some electronic part we are selling here for our country.
That's very nice to hear.
Yeah, of course. That's, of course, our relationship, not only business, cultural relationship, security, and safe relationship we have. Maybe, are you familiar? We have here 4 international Turkish school, elementary and high school.
Oh yes, the schools, the Turkish schools that we have discussed during our last meeting, during our dinner meeting, okay? Can you please tell us, President Irfan, about the schools here?
Yeah, actually, TUSCON, our confederation, under our confederation, 2 line, it's like 2 weeks. If we thinking to fly, should be with 2 weeks.
Yes.
That's why our one way, of course, business. Without economy, you cannot move in the world right now. Second, our we have in all around world many international school. The school we are not using for the Turkish people. That's international. For example, in our elementary school right now, from 42 nationalities students there are. So we have 4 here right now. Also one of the language center here.
Language center you also have.
For the English language, Mandarin language, also of course
Tagalog
language and Turkish language.
Yes.
Just we are planning open university also here.
Oh, to open, you're also planning to open a university
Yeah,
here. And also you have the ICAD Foundation. We met Mr. Malik under the TCCP.
Yeah.
And the foundation is really helping a lot of people.
Yes.
Brother Irfan, about the TUSCON. This is the confederation of all the businessmen and industrialists of Turkey. And it composed of at least 150 countries and 48 to 50,000 members worldwide.
Yes.
And I learned recently last June, you held this TUSCON in Turkey. How was it? How was the attendance and what are the agreements?
Under the TUSCON, 7,000 different association, and as you say, more than 100,000 members we have. All around the world. For example, here we have 3 chapters. One of the main office in the Manila. We are here right now. Second Zamboanga, other Davao. Just also we planning more 2 other for the important major 2 cities. Like this, all around world, America, Africa, Asia, China. So all around we have satellite office. We have online system. We can see under the online all members. If any product, if any partner, if any invest we are need, we just inform them.
So that's nice. So it's easy now online.
Really easy. It's 1 second. And then after that, we are working after that. For example, 2 weeks ago, just we came from Turkey with 25 business delegation from Philippines. Because we have every year 2 times multilateral meeting all around world. Also, we have agreement right now with BCDA, which agent about the basic conservation in the Philippines. According to the agreement, just every month from Turkey, 30 businessmen will be here. Some invest, some partner, some organize their interests.
So this is a year-round project. Our investors and businessmen from Turkey will be coming to the Philippines to check on the investment progress and the agreements that they can come to. Okay.
Coming 3 months, already decide more or less 170 businessmen. It's 7 different big group which interests here some product. We are ready to promote between 2 countries.
I would like to ask you, Brother Irfan, about gross domestic product of Turkey is worth 1.44.3 trillion US dollars in 2011, and that's according to the published record of the World Bank. And the GDP value of Turkey is roughly equivalent to 1.19% of the world economy and the 15th largest economy. Can you share with us the factors responsible for this Turkey rapid economic growth?
With your permission, I want to give that question, the answer, the question with proverbs. One Chinese proverb saying like that: if you want to grow, to planning 1 year, you should be grow with flour with. If you are thinking planning 10 years, you should be grow tears. But if you are thinking 100 years, you should be educate people. Here, 7,000 paradise, but your tourism budget only 2 billion.
That's very sad to hear.
Our tourism budget for $47 billion yearly. That yearly. We have even 1 paradise, nothing. So island, nothing. Even 1. But going to good advertisements. So should be more advertisements, more organization, global organization.
You told me earlier that you need a lot of nurses.
Actually, last year already our country, our republic decide to take from other country, not only nurses, some other engineers, doctors, some employers, we already decide. But we no need to look only over the Turkey. TUSCON, our confederation, all around world. That's why we can work with Filipino worker. We know they really successful, they really try, and they really kindly.
Very hardworking Filipinos.
Yeah,
work.
we know that. That's why also just under your program, I promise you, after the program, I can announce all around world where is our members
Wonderful.
to work with Filipino workers and colleagues.
What will be your message to the Turkey people and the Philippines as well, since TCCP is here in the Philippines?
Philippines country is really rich, really kindly, really good research about the all side, tourism, research, energy, some other. Should be open. Also, I more than 60 countries went, visiting many countries, many programs, many organizations, but mostly kindly and smile and successful peoples here. I know right now, Excellency Aquino just transparent going to governance and good governance going to right now. So I think that's big chance. That's why we are here. We are ready to start work here. We are ready to export, to import with Filipino peoples, with Filipino businessmen. Also, we are ready to learn from your side, because you have also many deep culture. Also, hospitality and warmth between two countries, I think same. Also, I want to invite all businessmen Turkey. When you are seeing Turkey, so it's your country. And lastly, I want to say, it's my not second country. Already that's my first country here. I feeling self like that. It's second country Turkey, because we are working many items, many different sectors here. And thank you, Magandan Gami.
Wow! Tekeşeler, Brother Irfan.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, and it's my pleasure being with you tonight, and hopefully that we will start already with our close partnership with TCCP, and of course with our good friend, the EVP of TCCP also, Mr. Abdul Ghani Makatoman.
Yeah.
We'll be seeing more of you and TCCP very soon.